Welcome to Section 1, the importance of effective communication in the built environment. Click Begin to get started. Effective communication is vital to the success of your built environment projects. The way you communicate with your project team and other organizations you are working with plays a significant role in determining the success or failure of your project. Let's look at how to make effective communication work for you. In this section, you will learn the importance of effective communication in leadership, the causes and consequences of poor communication, the benefits and principles of effective communication, and the key documents that enable effective communication. George Bernard Shaw said, "The single biggest problem in communication is the illusion that it has taken place." The impact of ineffective communication can be detrimental to built environment projects. 33% of all mega projects fail due to communication issues, and more than 50% of projects experience significant communication-related impacts to time, cost, and scope. PlanGrid and FMI Corporation combined to create a research report on the built environment industry in 2018. The report included survey results from over 600 construction firms and questions how teams spend their time on sites, communicate during projects, and leverage technology. The results on communication are staggering. If you are a project leader, it is your responsibility to bring clarity, guidance, and direction to your team, as well as to the third-party organizations you are working with, in order to deliver the project outcomes. Effective communication creates trust and builds a spirit of collaboration and purpose. Here is a list of the key documents used in built environment projects that provide a formal record of official communications. Click each key document to learn more. One of the most important documents used is a contract. Contractual arrangements provide the last point of control between the client and contracting parties and form the legal basis that are examined during disputes. Communication gaps caused by contractual agreements. There are a number of ways to address the communication gaps caused by contractual agreements found in built environment projects. For example, scoping contracts to align to a common goal, clearly defining contractual responsibilities of each party, or ensuring the contract scope includes the budget for contract governance and managing of the interfaces between key parties or stakeholders. In industries such as construction, the commercial environment sometimes doesn't give enough importance to communication. Many communication failings in construction are a result of poorly written contracts that lead to misunderstandings and project failures. Truly effective communication is transparent, empathetic, concise, and positive. Applying these values in real-life project scenarios will quickly produce tangible benefits. Click on each icon to reveal the 6 main benefits. To read more about each of the benefits, click here to download a PDF. Project managers should adopt 7 key principles to align cultures and communication across global built environment projects. Click on each principle to learn more about it. When you're ready, click Next to check your knowledge. When we talk about poor communication, we refer to ineffective and deficient communication. Let's get started by learning about the causes and consequences of poor communication. Click Next to continue. There are many signs of ineffective communication across the industry. A deeper understanding of these signs will help you to recognize them and avoid similar issues. Click here to download a PDF detailing the signs of ineffective communication. A lack of consistent communication within the project team and among stakeholders can create issues. In the short term, these may not negatively impact a project, but if not addressed early, they can threaten the entire course of the project. Some consequences of poor communication include limited or no buy-in and dedication to the project, failure to understand stakeholder expectations on what is considered project success, disputes between the project team and stakeholders or between stakeholder groups, and stakeholders who may negatively campaign against the project. Ultimately, poor communication leads to failed projects. Project managers must develop the competency and soft skills necessary to be effective communicators. A recent study identified 33 causes and 21 consequences of poor communication across the built environment industry. If you'd like to read more about Gamil and Rahman's study, click here to download a PDF. Let's take a look at the top 5 causes and effects of poor communication according to Gamil and Rahman. Click on each one to learn more. Let's take a look at an example of a project that exceeded time expectations due to poor communication. Read the case study shown here to learn more. There are several tips and techniques to help enable effective communication in your project. Many of these are associated with face-to-face and informal communication. These techniques include running effective meetings, conducting effective conversations, active listening, and communication reviews. Active listening will be covered extensively later on in this course. To learn more about conducting effective meetings and conversations and communication reviews, click to download a PDF. To learn more about a real-world communication review, read what Gulf Consult implemented for the Kuwait University College of Business construction project. Click here to download the case study. Communication in built environment projects can be enhanced through the use of technology and tools. Technology and cloud computing offers project managers better ways to communicate, collaborate, and maintain control. You will learn more about communication tools for your built environment projects in a forthcoming section. Click Next to check your knowledge. Let's take a moment to see what you've learned. Here is a suggestion of further reading on this topic. Once you have reviewed this information, click Next to move on. You have now completed Section 1, the importance of effective communication in the built environment. In the next section, you will learn how to develop an effective communication strategy and plan. See you there.